Alright, CS2727 here, and as you can see we're on the Bukkit forum page, and I'm going to show you how to make a Bukkit server for Minecraft. First thing you need to do is download the newest recommended build, which is 860 of Bukkit. So we're going to click that link. It's going to bring you to this page, and we're going to download the snapshot of it. It's going to download, we're going to save it, download it. And then we're going to downsize this. Downsize it, not reopen it. We're going to go to where your downloads are. We're going to drag it out to your desktop. Close that, we don't need that anymore. Bring that into a folder. You can name it anything you want. I just named it Bukkit for now. Then we're going to open it for the first time. It's going to make you a whole bunch of text files. Don't worry about those right now. Then go to your start manager, and we're going to stop the server right now because we don't need it running. And that would be java.w.exe. We're going to end that process, and that's going to stop. It's going to go away. So then, as you can see, made all these text documents. We're going to go to properties file, and then we're going to right click and open with Notepad++. If you don't have that, I'll give you a link. I'll include all the links you're going to need in the description. And you can see these are all the options for your server. And you can see here's a few like spawn animals, players, your IP, PvP, and whatever. So your IP address would be anything that looks like 192.168, and then after that. So after that, it would just be, I don't know, let's say 5422. So then you can change some of these settings. Say if you want PvP off, you just put false. It's either false or true. It's not on or off, it's just false or true. So I'm just going to save that. Close it. Back here. And then a few things you're going to have to do is port forward your router for the server. So then I'll include this link. If you find your modem, and then if you just follow the process through and click Minecraft server, it'll tell you exactly how to port forward yourself for the server. And then you have to make a static IP so it doesn't change. I'll include this link, and it'll show you exactly how to make your IP static. So, yep. And it gives you all the pictures you need and whatnot. And then here's how to run the server. This is the wiki for it. So if you have Windows, you would copy this right here. This little text, you copy it. And you go to Notepad. Notepad, regular old Notepad, not ++. You'd paste it in there. And then save as. We're going to save it as run.bat. And then we're going to go to wherever your folder is for the server, which mine is right. I have two. It's actually the other one. It's right here. It's right here. So then we're going to save it there. Yes. I think I saved it in the wrong spot. But that's cool. I can just move it over. Yep, it's in this folder. I have two of them. Where is it? It disappeared. Well, let's make another one. Bat. Save it to the desktop. Right, so it's right here. Just drag it in there. So then you're gonna have a new batch file, and that's how you're gonna run the server. Double click that, and it'll say, because I don't have the right IP and it's not port forwarded yet, but it just said failed to bind port. So as soon as you port forward yourself and get a static IP address, and then put the IP address through your settings, it will work. So that should be it. Oh yeah, and if you want plugins for your server, you go to the forums page and you go to get plugins, and this will just load. And you can get, since we already have 860, that's the Bukkit build, you can get anything 860, or sometimes lower ones work, like 740, sometimes those work, you can test them out. But anything that says 860 will work. And then all you do is when you download it, you just plugins folder, but drag it in. You don't have one, so you're gonna have to make one. That'll be a different video. But I think that's it. And yeah, so that's basically how to make your own Bukkit server. That's just the basics. And I'll put out more videos on how to add plugins and edit your server further. Alright.